Hello dears, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all having a great time. In this video I'm going to show you that how we can use a line tool with Adobe Illustrator. So let me show you how it works. So I'm going to make a rectangle in my artboard. So only I have one rectangle on my artboard. So when you select the object or a shape, so this align tool is going to show up here. So from this align to artboard and align to selection, I can select one of these. Like if I select this align to artboard, so this is going to align to only this artboard. So if I select this align to selection, to only this shape is going to. So if I click this align selection and click here, so only the selection is going to be aligned, because we didn't select, we align artboard. So if we click here, so it was selected as the artboard, so it's going to align it according to artboard. So if I click align selection, so again when I want to click here, so nothing is going to happen, because this is only one shape. So for only one shape we have no align, so we have to make a copy. So now we have two shapes. So if we select both of these shapes, so we go to align, and from here I can click on the align to artboard and I can align to selection. So if I click align to selection, so it's already selected. So if we want to align it on the left, so if we click, you can see it's going to be on the left. So let me control Z, and here if we select this align to artboard, so what happened if we click here, so according to the artboard is going to be on the left. When you're going to click horizontal align left, so you can see this icons on this align object and also this distributed objects. So you can get the idea, it's really easy. You can see the lines, it's showing that and the left is going to be a line. So this one is going to be on the middle. You can see this lines between this. Suppose that this is our shape, so this is your first shape and this is the second shape. And also you can see for this little icons of a line, you can see it's going to be a line on the right. So if I click, so this is going to align on the right. So if I click on the middle, so this is going to align it on the middle. So if we select this align selection, so only this selection align is going to happen to. So according to the artboard that we said, it's not going to align. So we go click on the align tool. So now we want to vertically align. So if we click vertically align, according to the top is going to align it. So if you want to align it according to the vertical, so suppose that you're putting your shape over here or it's already there, so you want to compare this, or if you want to make it align on both sides, so we want to align this shape to according this shape to this shape. So you're going to click align, you click on the vertical align center. So what happens, you can see this is going to align these two. And also if I click this align bottom, because it's already aligned, so bottoms doesn't make any sense. So here you can see the bottom of this shape and also this shape. So what if I move this here? So now if I select these two and go to our align tool, so now if I click vertical, so you can see vertically it's going to align these two. And also we have this distributed object. So distributed object, if I select this, so if I click on vertical, if I click on the this one, if I click this one, or horizontal, or this one. So if I select the align to artboard, so if I click one of these, you can see this is going to distribute these two. And also let me control Z and go to align, and if I click this one, so also this is going to vertically distribute. So let me show you that I need to make some copies so I can show you how this distribute is going to work. So I'm going to make some shapes like this, and I'm going to make a copy, and I'm going to paste one over here. So I'm going to select everything, go to align, now align to selection. So what we are going to do is click on the vertical, so you can see vertically it's going to align these shapes. And also if I click vertical distributed center, so you can see that it's going to vertically, let me control Z, let me give a space between these shapes, so it's going to align it. So if I click on the vertical distributed, so you can see it's going to vertically align and distribute the space between these three shape and with this one. So we are going to control Z and we are going to align. So what we are going to do now is click on the vertical distributed bottom. So if I click, so it's from the bottom, it's going to distribute. You can see the space between this bottom, so it's going to add a space over here. So now let me remove this one, and I'm going to put this right here, and also this one over here. Let me make a copy. So I'm going to select everything, bring it on the artboard, click on align. So now if we click horizontal distributed left, so you can see that it's going to only align the left portion. So let me control Z and let me put this over here. So I'm going to select here and click on this horizontal distribute. If you click, so you can see this shape is going to be with this shape. So if we are going to make a copy from this, and I'm going to put it over here and one copy over here. So suppose that you made this design your artboard, so you go to align tool. So now when you click on the horizontal, so you can see again it's going to horizontally distribute only this shape with this shape. So if I click this horizontal distribute center, so nothing is going to, because it's already distributed here. So let me control Z, so it's distributed on the center. So I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to put this here. So now we are going to select everything. Now we go to align tool. Now if we click on the horizontal distribute center, so you can see according to this horizontal distributed center is going to center everything. And also we have this horizontal distributed right. So if we click, so now it's already distributed as a right and left. So let me show you that I'm going to put this over here, and one over this place, and one over here. So now I'm going to select everything, go to align. So when I'm going to click horizontal distributed center, so according to the right is going to show me that's going to distribute this shape. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put this shape like this, and I'm going to select everything and go to align. So now if I click horizontal distributed right, so you can see according to this right is going to distribute our shapes. So I'm going to put these shapes like this, and I'm going to select everything. So now we go to align. So according to your shapes you can do this. Now we click on the horizontal distribute, so you can see the horizontal distribute is going to show that only one or two shape that's change. So what if I select this vertical distributed bottom? So you can see the bottom of these shapes that we have over here is going to give it a space. So let me control Z and go to align. And also we have this we already did, but I wanted to show you with different shapes or positions. So this is going to be different. So if I click, you can see still we are going to get this space between them. So what we are going to do is that we are going to put this shape like this, and I'm going to put it right over here, and I'm going to select everything, go to align tool, and I'm going to click here vertical distributed bottom. So you can see that's going to distribute. So according to your shape, this align tool is going to work. And also we have this distributed spacing. So if you select one of these as a controller for others, so we are going to click this one, go to align. So now if we are going to give it a space like 40, so nothing is actually happen here until we are going to click at the vertical here spacing, and also here we have this horizontal. If we click, so it's going to apply from this one. So let me show you. If I select a different one, so I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to align. Now we are going to click horizontal distribute space. You can see according to this one, this is going to distribute it horizontally. So let me control Z and let me click on align. So now if I click on the vertical, so nothing is going to happen because we didn't select. So we're going to select from this middle point or from this object or shape. So now we are going to click on vertical. So you can see now from this shape that we select, it's vertically going to align everything. And also if we click horizontal, so you can see from this place, from this controller is going to horizontally distribute as well. So this is how we also let me do not forget that we missed this align selection. We did miss align key to object. You just already selected. We already select here this object. So this object's already selected. So here we have this selection for this. So what if we select another object? So now if we go to align, so this align key object is now selected. So this align key object means is you're going to select a controller for your whole design. So this is how we use this align tool with Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and you learn, and hope this video is going to really help you in your graphic design career. So if you want to stay tuned about our future videos, don't forget to press the bell icon, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos if you press the bell icon on the subscribe button. So if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video, and if you have any suggestion regarding our channel, your suggestion is going to be appreciated, guys. Don't hesitate to contact me at any time. Please let me know if you have any difficulties using any kind of graphic design programs, and please let me know if you have any question regarding this video or Adobe Illustrator in the comment box of this video. So see you guys until next video.